Now the core workflow, purchase orders. Here you see all your purchase orders with status, supplier, dates, and totals. Create an order, pick your supplier, the contact autofills, add line items, select from your product catalog, quantity and the unit price pulls from your supplier pricing. Add tags, set an expected delivery date, internal notes. Once saved, you've got a draft. From here you can review, edit or send it out. One click, the purchase order goes out as PDF email to your supplier's primary contact. The status flips to sent, and if you're running entity emails, every email outgoing and incoming is tracked right here on the timeline. The lifecycle, draft, sent, partial, received, cancelled. The status updates automatically as you receive goods. Let me show you that. When goods arrive, click Receive Items. You get a module with every line item, what was ordered, what's already been received and what's still pending. Enter the received quantities. Fill all pending if the full order arrived. Confirm and the purchase order status updates. Partially received, status becomes partial. Everything in, received. Now, if you've got Inventory Pro installed, this is where it gets powerful. When you receive items, you get the choice Create Goods Receipt, which opens Inventories Pro full workflow with warehouse selection, batch numbers, FIFO tracking, or Quick Receive if you just need to update the purchase order without touching stock.